Hey everyone, good evening. It's Scott at Scott Trades on X with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to take a look at Google. This is ticker GOOGL. Now, Google is back to the scene of the crime, and the crime is the breakdown from February of 2025. You can see that we consolidated in and around December, January, and the beginning of February in 2024 and 2025. After earnings, the stock broke down and then followed the market lower. It finally recovered with the rest of the market in April, and it's made its way back to the scene of the crime. So I think Google is in an interesting spot here because we currently have clear support on the stock down near that 21-day exponential period moving average. You can see how Google gapped down to the 21-day, held that level as support, and then got back above the orange line. That's the 8-day exponential. And now we're just kind of hanging out near the highs. So I would definitely watch Google here for a move through 198 coming on volume. That could trigger a trade. And of course, you could use that 21-day exponential period moving average as a trigger for a stop on your trade. So that's just one of many stocks and many setups we're looking at tonight over at StockMarketMentor.com. Watch Google for a move through 198 coming on volume. I hope that's helpful. My name is Scott. I'll see you next time.